welcome back to my channel. I am here to do yet another unboxing. If you've seen me wear this already, it's because I've done a couple of videos trying to batch do those. I don't have time to do a whole lot of videos, so I got off a little early today, so I thought I'd do a couple of them. But this is an awesome, you can see it, Johnny Was velvet. It's black velvet with the embroidery. It's gorgeous. It's a little small, but I made it work. I'll probably have it for sale soon, but for now I think I'm gonna wear it. But this one is going to be a Rent the Runway retiree rescue box. Runway Retirees Rescue Box. I think it's $100, $10 an item. A little bit tax. The shipping was free because it's over a certain amount. So I think it ends up being like 11 something with tax per item. So I have like done this video already, and I think my card is corrupted because every once in a while when I try to transfer the video, it acts like it's not there, and I can't seem to recover it. I can watch it on the camera, I just can't transfer it. It shows 0 kilobytes, like it's no longer there, and it just has a thumbnail. But, and like my Toy Story band-aid, my finger is cracked. I work at the post office full time, so my hands get so dry. But yeah, they're so cracked. So forgive me, forgive my nails, forgive my hair. My hair was so split end that I put it into pigtails yesterday, and I cut it. I cut it off, and I mean, I still need to like style it, but it's not like choppy or uneven. Curled it. It doesn't look too bad. This is just my hair after about 16-17 hours. See, it's 7 o'clock. I fixed it about 3 in the morning. So, but yeah, it's my bedtime and I'm about to go to sleep. Just gonna do one more video. Like I said, 10 items for $100 plus tax on ThredUP website for the Runway Retirees DIY box. Plan on sending some of this stuff maybe to the Real as some of the other boxes that I had as well. I will link some of them above, like the designer box. I got the Burberry and the Chanel booties, or Burberry wallet. Yeah, so without further ado, this is a Kaufman Franco. I think they have a whole lot of these on ThredUP, or actually the Real as well. I think people have the same thing in mind. Buy from ThredUP, send to the Real. But this is an extra small. It's just a sweater. It's got the under, the blouse that looks like it's coming out, but it's attached. I believe this is wool. Let me see real quick. 60% cotton, 30% nylon, 10% wool. So yeah, I don't know really what I want to do with this yet. I may just send it to recoup my costs if I can get, you know, $10 back from the Real. Not sure yet. If I find similar items, I will put a screenshot and share the cost of goods. I mean, I will put a screen if I find similar items to these. I will put a screenshot, and I will put a screenshot and some comps. But this is this brand, I don't know how to say that. Crochet, Gucci. Just kidding. But it's really pretty. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day. It's got some lace on the side. That panel is pretty see-through. It's also got some mesh like it's a little bit sporty. I don't know if you can see that, but it feels like silk. It's a European size 34. Let me see what it's made out of. I should remember this because I've already done this video already. But it's been a couple weeks since I've attempted it. I'm not sure what it is. I think that was the issue I had before, is I couldn't find the fabric content, and I just kind of looked at similar listings online. But yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do with that one yet. There are these pants. These are awesome, but I hate the flaw. These can go for quite a bit. Months, not sure. They are so cool. These are a size 10, 51% cotton, 34% nylon, 12% polyester, 3% elastane. So they have some stretch to them. The coolest part is like the sporty panels down the side and the zippers down the back. Very like streetwear-ish. And then there is the logo at the bottom of this side, other than the butt area. I mean, it's got a couple pulls, but because of the under threading, the greens and stuff, you can definitely tell. I mean, I might be able to like stain it, like not stain it, but like dye the bottom a little bit where it's not so obvious. But I will definitely disclose. I still think that I can get some money for these because they're so cool. So here is another one of those Kaufman Francos. This is a size small, same thing. So two of the same thing. I might actually list these and put them in my closet, since it'll just basically be one listing. I don't think they had any flaws, so one photo for the both of them I think would be okay. This is a Parker dress. Never sold Parker, never found Parker. It's gorgeous though. It is like a zebra print. I don't even know. But all the buttons are still attached. It feels silky, but let's see. I don't know. It's 53% silk, 47% viscous. It's gorgeous though. I think there's a few tiny snags. And then it has a faux tie on the side. Very pretty. If I do send this stuff to the Real, I've got to try to get the little Rent the Runway tags off of there. I think I could do that with some steam. I'm not sure. If you guys have been successful in this, let me know. But yeah, Parker. And then here is a Rebecca Taylor. I've gotten one of these in the other box. This one is actually extra small. It's super soft though. It is a black with a cream polka dot, almost like a peplum bottom, and some, cap type sleeves. I think this is kind of oversaturated, so I could only get like 30 bucks for it, maybe 40, but we'll see. This is awesome. I loved this. It is TV. It is a size 2, but I think it's rather large for a size 2 because, as you can see, I wore it in my thumbnail. Yeah, the buttons are really cool. I didn't see any flaws that I can remember. It is like a really, really smooth, almost denim color. What is it made of? Dun, 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 dun. It is viscous linen and cotton and elastane, but it is so cute because it's got some slight shoulder pads and it is cropped, so it's like oversized here but cropped. But I mean, as you can see, this big girl has this big girl fit it. So, I have this. This is a new to me brand, Co. I looked this up, and oh my god, the comps were so freaking good. This is definitely an oversized dress. It's got some elastic in the back around the waist. The size, it says spring summer 2020, so it's not that old. I want to say that's a smaller size, like a small, but it's so oversized. Well, where are you at? Yeah, it's a small, but it's huge. It's got pockets. This thing is amazing. It's like a very pale, like sunshine yellow. It's awesome. But it has some discoloration on the back. I'm hoping I can just get like a wet wipe and wipe it out. And I plan on sending this to the Real if I can get that out. I don't know if you could see some of that. There's another little one right there. But, in fact, let's try to get it out now. These little wipes, I did a video already. Where'd they go? These little wipes from the Dollar Tree are amazing. They're just antibacterial wipes. I got some stains out of a Proenza Schuler skirt. Like a faux suede skirt. Faux leather skirt. Let's see if I can get it out just with some antibacterial wipes. I need a flat surface though. Sorry. This doesn't come out. I plan on using the Amadex ink and stain remover. And we'll see. Not coming out too much. Some of it's coming out though. It's just wet right now. You can hardly see it still. Let's try this Amadex, why don't we? I don't even know how to use this. You guys can see me flub up. Let's see. Do not wet fabric or skin before using. Skin? Test Amadex on an inside seam or hidden area. Apply a few drops to stained area and gently scrub with brush. Launder and rinse thoroughly. Place paper towel under ink spot. Apply Amadex. Gently rub with brush. Well, we'll save this for later. Maybe a different video. Okay, got like 2 more things. And this is a Deem. I think this is a pretty good brand. It is super lightweight knit, but it's long and actually got a little bit of weight to it. It's black and it buttons on the sides. Well, I say buttons. It has buttons on each side, so it's just like a faux button. Look! It's kind of cute. It's just split on both sides like that. I don't think that there was anything wrong with this. I might actually send this to to the Real as well. And the last thing that is so cute. Did I say how much this was? I think I did. $100, 10 items. About $11 an item after tax. This is Marissa Webb, size 10. These are really cute. Like bib front, olive green pant. They have pockets and they tie in the front, I believe. I think they tie in the front. I need to steam the back, but they're super, super cute. And they have the cuff bottoms. But I didn't see anything wrong with this. It just needs a good steaming. And I think we're all good. Let me make sure. I don't think anything was unraveled. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I don't think anything's unraveled. Like I said, size 10. So, yeah. So, oh wait. Take that back. There's a little issue. It's starting to pull under the zipper. Not much. It's like hardly noticeable unless you pull. But it still zips. If I say that. I gotta do that before. I think it's just getting that one space, the seam. There we go. We're good. Yeah, make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you like reseller content like this, or you just like to watch unboxings, be sure and like and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you might want to watch. I am in the process of doing more reseller repair series called Second Life. I will link the first one above. It was just a pair of Converse that I had. So if you want to follow my clueless journey of being a reseller, let me know. I do videos in batch work, and I try to post about once a week, but I'm terrible. So maybe like once a month. So like I said, I work at the post office 60 hours a week, and I am exhausted. And that said, I need to go to bed. You didn't know that I could rhyme, did you? I will see y'all later, and you have a good night. Bye.